Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to implement a rich text editor in a React.js. So, how we are going to implement this text editor in a React.js? So, suppose if you type something and if you want to give some header styling, so you can give like this. You can give some font styling. So you can give like this also, and if you want to make a letter bold, you can give bold letter, italic. So combination of bold and italic. You can give underline. You can give a combination of bold, italic, underline, and you can also give list item. So either using numbering list item, or you can give uh, that one also dot list item. So this is the advanced editor, and you can also upload the image. So upload the image also. So how we are going to implement this React JS? So let's jump into our VS Code. So before it start working on this editor, you need to install one package. So you need to install this package React Quill. Okay, after installing the React Quill, then come here and start writing the code. So React Quill, and you need to import one CSS file from node module. Quill.snow.css file. Okay, after doing import, then we need to just maintain one normal state, set body use state. You can give something. Okay, so React Quill, it says help closing, and we need to pass some props. So you can pass placeholder, so like write something amazing, something like that. Modules, so we need this module, okay, to get all type of font, bold, italic, or underlined, in order to insert image, video. So all this toolbar and format we need here. So you can paste it here, and modules is equal to app.modules, and format app.format, and on change we need handle body. We will write that one normal handler, and value body. Handle body is equal to e and we can simply console log this one also. Body e, give some title, text editor. So okay, we are able to see now. Okay, so we need to increase this height. Okay, so you can one styling you can apply here. So dot ql editor, and you can give something min height 330 pixel. Now see, reload. Okay, something not working. Let's see the styling. QL editor, min height. Okay, not sure why it's not working here. Let's put in side our. Okay, I think maybe I forgot to import that app CSS file. Okay, so we have increased the height of the text editor. So I hope you like this video, how to implement the text editor in React.js. So see you guys in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.